Hello and welcome to this new tutorial of dictionary bits. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the gene family of words. These words have gen or gene at the beginning, medial or final position. For example, gene, congenital and progeny. Trick or key to learning many of these words is always remember that gene came from Greek genos, meaning origin or birth of offspring or race, its kinds and characteristic. Accordingly, words containing gen or gene convey the same meaning. Now let's learn some vocabulary by way of examples. First are gene, genetics and genealogy. Gene is a part of a chromosome and a unit of heredity which is transferred from a parent to a child at the time of birth and determines some characteristics of the child. For example, playing tennis is in my genes. Genetics is the scientific study of genes, of how certain qualities are passed from parents to offspring. Whereas genealogy is the study of family trees or ancestral origins. Next is genesis. As a noun, it refers to the origin, start, or point at which something comes into being. For example, genesis of the current policy was in the Prime Minister's speech last year. Or, this tale has its genesis in horror stories. Next is congenital. It's a blend of prefix con, meaning with, and gen, meaning birth. As a noun, it refers to something which is present right from the birth in a person. For example, a congenital malformation of the heart, or a congenital defect, deformity, or condition occurs during the 9-month birth process. Figuratively, it shows very early existence of some quality in a person. For example, a congenital liar. Next is congenial. It's a blend of prefix con, meaning with, and gen, meaning kind, all together with the same kind. As an adjective, it refers to someone or something having pleasing qualities or interests that are similar to one's own. For example, he is always looking for a congenial company. Or, he went back to a climate more congenial to his cold, stony soul. Next is generic. As an adjective, it refers to genes or characteristics that are related to a class or group of things and not specific to one thing. For example, fine arts is a generic term for subjects such as painting, music, and sculpture. It also refers to a consumer product having no brand name or registered trademark. For example, generic medicines are a lot cheaper than branded ones. Some more common examples of the gene family are genre is a kind or category of art, music or literature. For instance, fiction genre. Genocide, it refers to the murder of genes or people on a large scale. Progeny, it refers to descendants or children of a person, animal or plant. Genital, it refers to sexual organs that are involved in the process of conception and birth. Homogeneous, it refers to people or things of the same kind. Heterogeneous, it refers to people or things of different kinds. And there are many more. To sum up the gene family, what we learned in this tutorial are words containing gene are related to birth, its kinds and related qualities. And words we learned are gene, genetics, genealogy, genesis, congenital, congenial, generic, genre, genocide, progeny, genitals, homogeneous and heterogeneous. This is all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hope it was worth your time. If you liked the video, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the next video on time. By then, bye bye. See you next week with a new tutorial.